You said 2 a.m. learning. Why at night? And why, like, you have a wife and kids. Why don't keep a regular schedule? What is the 2 a.m. thing?
I'll tell you the truth. It was pretty much in the beginning, which I didn't sleep for.
Is
I hardly slept. It was Lahavdil, army mahalach, which I went from the army of the Yetzirah to army of Hashem. I decided to use the same idea.
So this is something you're going to cover with the story?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
So before we go any further, I just want to ask, please give a like, share, subscribe. Please, it means a lot. And definitely, Leza, put up the super like. Keep on watching. All right.
Okay. So
Now we're back to scratch. So you were born and raised in Hadera?
in Hadera. Yeah, it's in Eretz Israel. I had a very light traditional background.
Right. So when you said before religious, it's religious.
No, it's not.
Compared to secular people, it's religious.
Exactly.
So that's Yom Kippur, Paisa.
Exactly.
Okay.
So at the age of 17, I'm a free bird. I do whatever I want. I work. I make my own money. I don't
You
live
have
at
a
home
job?
anymore. Yeah. I
What
left
kind of
school.
job?
Left school. I was a manager of some. It was a big place that I used to manage. They were
Warehouse?
warehouse. There were two partners there. When I came there, they left the zone. They gave it to me, and I was doing everything there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
Yeah, I made
Warehouse for what? Boxes?
yeah, boxes and stuff, and vegetables and stuff. It was a
Okay.
big thing. I did good.
Where in which area? In Hadera?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
very
I used to wake up in the morning. I used to work for 8 hours, go to gym for 3 hours.
nice.
Afterwards, chill out, whatever it means. And Chozer Khalila,
Okay.
I had my own agenda. I respected every person. I already knocked out any religion or any even Jewish approach. For me, everybody was the same. Arab, Jew, it's all the same thing. Whatever you want to do, you can do. It's fine. And I was already aiming for recruiting to the army.
Okay.
By the way, it's interesting because at that time, I came from a home that had an agenda. I had no agenda. My agenda was enjoy to live, and that's it.
So why go to the army?
It's a good question. So I didn't want to recruit. I said to myself, go to Europe, enjoy.
So you went because of the law?
No, I didn't care about the law either. But when I started going close to 18, I was 18 years old. I wanted a challenge. You look for action, something. And I figured out, at least enjoy life that way. In other words, try to go to an elite unit. If it goes in, it goes. If not, I leave the country. I don't stay.